Welcome back to ASP.NET Core Full Stack Development. We've gone on now to section 4, where we're going to create the front end with ASP.NET Core MVC and React. We've spoke before about MVC, stands for Model View Controller, and how we are parsing out the view into a JavaScript framework called React, which is basically its own model view controller. So basically, React is helping us out in handling the view portion of our application and giving us ways of state management and reusable components. It's taking it to where we can reuse things and not have to be quite as static as normal HTML views are. It gives us the capabilities of making it more object-oriented on just the front end portion, which helps us out in the long run. So, in this video, I was going to introduce you to React, and I have introduced you. React is a very nice front-end framework, similar to Angular in our last section, yet its own thing. React is created by Facebook. It is what Facebook front end is written in, and it has been open source for us to use. So here we go.